Hi there, welcome to another educational video document in my Web3 expeditions. This video is going to introduce you to the Union Build Airdrop prospect. You're going to be participating with the Union Build testnet and a bunch of social quests towards the airdrop. This video will get you started. It may not constitute a full-fledged tutorial because this is an introductory video where we cannot do a full-fledged tutorial. I'll be doing a subsequent video that is a tutorial. Let's get started. So first, you want to onboard on this dashboard. You can do so with your Twitter or Discord. Okay, now testnet 9, it's what is running. This is going to run until April 1, meaning that there is limited time to participate. I've known of this for a long time, but I've not had the health to participate. So I'm starting from testnet 9 myself. I wouldn't say it's late, but those who started earlier are more of OGs. For example, if you go to the Discord, so I started out on the Discord just to get an overview of what, is involved. And I saw that you cannot become an OG of the project at this stage. There was a date timeline for that. But right now you can get another important role, which is the fanatic role. And that requires you participating in testnet 9. Now, if you look here, you will see that this quest, for example, has ended. I missed it. Dashboard beta tester missed. This is going to run until March 23. So you'll earn 5 XP doing so. Okay, so basically you want to exhaust as many of the quests shown here. I've only done one quest so far. If you go to achievement, you will also see other quests. I don't know if they are all open. If you go to social, you will see social quest, private first class, reach the private first class rank. Now, I don't know where this is from, likely Discord. And this is not very interactive, this portal. You can't click on this for more information or such that it leads you somewhere. But I would assume that this is going to be on the Discord. Perhaps the more roles you get, the better. This may involve maybe chatting in the Discord being helpful. But there are some Twitter ones you can participate in, which is good. This one has a huge number of XP. You will need to visit this portal to, participate in that. So I will see if we can accomplish this one. Okay. This one, Union. Join the Union Discord before November 15, 2024. That's over. Okay, so just complete as many as you can. Rewards. Let's look at this. I never participated in this. I never participated in this. I don't know why it's showing pending. Okay, so it says conscript. Maybe I have. I'm not very sure. Okay, leaderboard. Let's see how. Wow. So it's still possible to fare well. The leaderboard, they've not really earned, that much XP. The topmost person on the leaderboard is 710. So, even with 100 XP, you'll be highly ranked. So let's see. Let's get started here. The Discord. So I went to announcement and saw this. Union 9 was announced. This is February 15th. It's going to end soon, but it will only give you 5 XP, by the way. So claim testnet tokens at the faucet, transfer assets between testnet environment, unlock achievements and earn. Okay, so for the Unchained quest, I believe this is the only one there is, and the other one called Ceremony. So I'm going to copy this and let's, get started. Just a moment. Wow. Okay. Okay, so superficially looking, you will need to connect two wallets. One is the EVM wallet, and either Kepler or Leap to connect you to Cosmos. So I didn't even have a Leap wallet or Kepler. So before this video, I downloaded Leap. You can also choose Kepler, but I want to try Leap. If you click here, assuming you are new, I can't remember if this will take you directly to the extension. I can't remember. So assuming it doesn't, what you can do is go to CoinGecko, type Atom. Okay. So wallets, you can attempt to click on Kepler here, for example. It should take you to the extent to, okay, it takes you to their site. Then you can click on Get Kepler Wallet. That will likely give you the option of downloading an extension, okay? Or additional to that, if you want Kepler, you can go to the website and let's see, products. You can try this. Click here. So that's basically a dApp on the Cosmos ecosystem. Then, wow, there's no connect. There's supposed to be like a connect wallet option here, but maybe because I have Leap already. So if you see the button, click on it, choose Leap, it will take you to the extension. So that's a side note. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to be connecting MetaMask. See your account. Okay, so it's actually Sepolia ETH, the network. Okay, then I'll be connecting Leap. So in the course of connecting Leap, I think Leap is better than Kepler because here it knows how to add the network. You'll see testnet 9 union build. Okay, so approve. So we're done with connection. Okay, so basically this seems to connect the EVM side with the Cosmos side. So just a moment, is provided by and protected by Cloudflare. Okay, so superficially looking, it looks like we may need to verify. Click on this verify button to be set to use the faucet. The actual transaction will involve a transfer, like a bridge. That's my expectation. Okay, now I don't know why it's as such. I'd expect it to maybe pull up the Leap wallet, but it's not. I'm just going to refresh and try again. Now we need this one. This one we need it. It's a gas token. It's called Uno. This one is likely test tokens. What we will be transferring from the EVM side to the Cosmos side, but we definitely need this. So I don't know why it's not working. So we may not end up with a complete tutorial, but before we retreat, let's see if there's a faucet inside of the Discord. There don't seem to be. Let's look at this very quickly. Okay. Verification for the faucet doesn't seem to be working. Just a moment, please. So there is something about activating wallet here, but you cannot do that without. Okay. So let's just go to uh, let's try one more time. Now, what you can do here, if it doesn't work, import your wallet into Kepler, try connect with Kepler. Perhaps it can work. Alternative to that is wait. Alternative to that is try another browser, or we can attempt a transfer. So a transfer from Sepolia to Union, assuming, but we will not get Uno on the Union testnet, so that will not work. But this is where the no recommended channel to go from Sepolia to. Okay, this is where the actual test of Union will happen here. Okay. Let's just quickly look here. Just a moment. Just a moment, please. That's the nature of my videos, by the way. I don't edit it. I do the entire research process and all within the same video. Within a video. Okay, so that if that verification step completes, it's actually the faucet event. I mean, it will send out, So, okay, so the issue we are experiencing right now is the faucet is likely congested, so we'll have to try again at another time. If it doesn't work after a day or so, I will likely do another video about ways to get some, my first line of thought will be, but I don't know if it has some, like buying it. Let me just see if it's here. Okay, it's not. So another option will be to go on the Discord and ask, submit your wallet there, ask if anyone can send you a small amount. This is likely to work at a later time, but it's not working at the moment. For a situation like this, you can use Kepler. You can try with Kepler. It may have a different RPC route, and this could work. Okay, so that said, we cannot complete this, but you don't have to dwell on this. It's going to give only 5 XP, although it may give some multiplier or so. But basically, wow. It's showing that I have a balance, so maybe the faucet ended up working. So that's what the essence of videos like this, where you don't edit it, you're able to capture situations like this where you need to improvise, rely on intuition. So I do have a balance, interestingly, meaning that even though that faucet page is struggling to verify, it's actually working. Okay, so this is now this interface is now looking, very very intuitive. Like if we're transferring from union testnet, the destination, just a moment, let me click. So source chain is union testnet. Okay, source chain is union testnet. Okay, so it's not intuitive. Basically, this is source chain, this is destination chain, this is the token you are transferring. This is not how it's supposed to be typically. So I'm going to change this network to, okay, let's leave it like this. Now we can use the other faucet, by the way, just to get additional tokens to play with. Okay, and this one. So, it's possible that this has worked as well. So let's go ahead to test to execute a transaction. Okay, so this is source chain, destination chain. Let's change this currency. Okay, we only have one. Let me refresh this, by the way, just a moment. So we don't spend up our gas token. Okay, so refreshing it shows that I don't have other tokens. Let's try again. Okay. So the other faucets, it may take some time for it to arrive. Let's attempt though to spend some of this. Destination, Holiski is an EVM wallet address. Okay. Now it says uh, Union Testnet 9 to Oliski is not a recommended destination, so let's change this to Sepolia. Wow. So how do we resolve this? Let's try this. No. Let's try this. So I want to look for the wallet address associated with Stride. That is within Cosmos. Wow. It's not loading up. And that looks like mainnet Stride. Wow. So this, I don't know, I don't know how to change this to the testnet. Okay. Wow. Let's just experiment then. Let's just experiment if a mainnet wallet address will work. Stride. So it starts with Stride, basically the address. Okay. 0.01. So your wallet isn't recognized because it has never made a transaction. Transfer a small amount to your own address on Union 9 using your wallet's UI to activate it, then retry. So you need to activate the wallet. I've never done this before, but this is what is being referenced. Union. Okay, so I'll copy this wallet address and send 0. Even just this alone is sufficient to test the network, isn't it? No, not memo, sorry. It's not compulsory to use a memo. So very slow, likely, why the faucet seem not to be working. Okay, so we can now retry and it's now working. So 2 transactions. The first one is an approval transaction. The second one is the actual transfer. We are waiting for the first transaction to complete. Okay, so we are now brought to the Explorer. I think this test is already, when this completes, by the way, it's still ongoing. I believe it's sufficient for you to obtain this. Let's go back here. XP. So I don't know if this will automatically, check itself. And there is an associated role on the Discord. So I cannot reveal now at this video. I'll need to check back. Wow. I don't think you can register it because I've never connected my wallet here, or have I? So you will need to add your wallet, both your EVM and Cosmos wallet. So interesting. So you need to do this before your XP will show up. Okay. So let's see. Ooh. So I'll do this offline. Um, let's go here. Wow. Can't find union. I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing all this on screen. Um, so those are the troubleshooting stuff you need. I have to show this, even though the video turns out uninteresting because you end up falling for scams on the internet. There is no, support system when it comes to Web3. So that's why my videos are as they are. I've done 5,000 of them, by the way. See your account. Also, in the description, there will be a bunch of other airdrops. We'll talk about that later on. Leap. Okay. Now, when this completes is likely when the XP will show up. I think just one transaction will do, will be sufficient enough for you. Will be sufficient for you to get this XP. It's likely to auto populate. When it does populate, so it's shown that okay, adding your EVM wallet completes a task. So when you may need to connect your Discord, then it will likely give you the role automatically. You have to verify that. If it doesn't give you the role automatic, let me see if I have Discord. If it doesn't give you the role automatically, then you will need to go and get it. But I think it will give you the role automatically if you have connected your Discord, linked your Discord. So you'll be getting this 5 XP along with the role. As for the role, how do you check if you have the role already? Let's say I say ZKGM. If I click on my profile, so I don't have the role yet. So I think the role will be automatic because if you click here, these are just basic roles and there's no option to connect wallet anywhere here. So I think you'll get it automatically once you have connected your Discord. Again, that will be left to be revealed in the next video. Complete the other quests. I hope I will be able to do it. I'm just doing this as a tutorial. I may not take this actively, especially when it's social quests and all that. Join the official. Okay, so it has picked that up. I just joined the Discord. It has picked this up. So add any wallet address to the test the dashboard. This one has ended. Support the devs. So this one is a GitHub task. It's still running. For this one, you will need to connect your Discord, and then when you click here, you will need to give the repo a star. It will give you 5x. Now, going back, let's quickly see if we can do this. All these are social. I'll be doing them later on. This one here, I don't know how easy or hard it is to do, but let's experiment and then we'll end the video. Wow. So I will not be able to do this. I will likely be doing it offline, likely log in with your GitHub or Google to be able to authenticate here and complete this. I don't think this will require wallet. I'm not very sure. Maybe it will, but I'll do this offline. Okay, for it now, focus on the other quests. There are many quests, than for you to dwell on. Oh, but this is a large number of quests. This will take you up on the dashboard. Oh, so interesting. So these are the quests to focus on. This one and this one. This one, perform 10 transfers into Holiski during testnet 9 or mainnet. Wow, this will give you 40 XP. So you want to target that one. But I don't know, maybe there's... Oh, wow. This is too much. This is too much. Like, to be able to get the entire 45, you need to break the chain. 15 XP, you will need to perform 500 transfers into Holiski. Wow. That will be very difficult to accomplish. This one looks good, 100 XP. Transferred to Bera chain 3 days in a row during testnet 8. So ended already, up to 100 XP there. So many of the quests, wow, many of the quests for, are ended. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be ending this video now. Before you go, do well to go to airdropc.com and submit your email to subscribe to airdrop reminders here. I'm working hard to populate this portal with 100 solid airdrops, each with its own publication tutorial. I'll be adding union build amongst the airdrops here. Again, each will have a publication tutorial. The tutorial I'll be iterating over time with more videos as the project evolves. Then I'll be sending the 100 airdrops out to subscribers in the coming days. I'm already working on it. A bit scattered here, but you can still find some solid airdrops, so check it out. In the description, however, you'll find a bunch of related airdrops. Contact me using this contact form and this Telegram. Then this Twitter, follow this Twitter. I'll be actively posting about airdrops here in conjunction with the site. And that's about it for this video. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.